Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back again. Hope you all are doing well. Usually I don't go outside in the morning times, but for a change, today I am going to buy some stuff in the grocery store and it is 9 am here. As it is weekend, my husband is sleeping and I didn't want to disturb him. My kids are in online class, so I could get some space to come out and finish my work. These roads are very busy on weekdays. As it is weekend, we get to see very few people on the streets. I am done with my shopping here. The mornings are very beautiful in many ways. It should be a fresh start irrespective of how the yesterday was. We should be focusing on learning each and every day and adding up the new knowledge to lead a better life. So we should really thank to God every morning for giving all of us this opportunity. Let us affirm not to react and just to respond to the tough situations of our day, then feel the difference. I also bought chana paratha on the way to home. Usually my husband brings it whenever he goes to the morning match. I really like this breakfast. Actually, I soaked this chana last night for today's lunch. As I encountered chana paratha at the nearby tiffin center, I couldn't resist myself to not buy it because this is one of our favorite breakfasts. It tastes really good. This is Almarai milk. I use it to give my kids. And it is Saudi milk. We use it to prepare the tea. These are the paratas I bought from the tiffin center. Usually outside paratas will be made of all-purpose flour, but here they make it with wheat flour. That is why I prefer to buy there. I am keeping these in a hot box because it takes some time for us to have it. As my husband is still sleeping, first I feed my kids. Here the online class is going on for Umar.
Man said two more friends. I found it. More pencils? Where are they?
Now this chana will be going into the fridge until my next use, as I dropped off the plan of cooking it for lunch. I kept these bread slices in the sun to make the breadcrumbs, and these are totally dried. Now I will store them for my future use. A month ago I have shifted these plants to window side. Since that time they are getting enough sunlight to grow well. Now you can see leaves that how big they have grown. Check out my previous videos to see how they were before shifting to this place. As they are growing well, they need more space. So last night I bought compost and big pots to shift them from these pots. When I was watering this plant, I really liked the growth of this plant. Immediately I got an idea to shift this plant into the kitchen because it makes me feel good whenever I look at the plants, and most of the time I spend in the kitchen itself. Here I am keeping the pot in this spoon holder as it will be giving a good look. After having chana paratha, my husband took my kids for haircut. That's how I got some time for cleaning. Here I am scattering the coriander seeds to sow in the pot. I am taking the pots which I have bought. One is to grow coriander and another is for shifting the money plant. In general, we grow plants to give a good look to our house. But there are many unknown benefits that we should know. One of the major benefits is freshening the air inside our houses. Nowadays, houses are being built totally closed with no ventilators to make them suitable for using ACs. So, there would be no fresh air flow inside the house. In such conditions, using plants which are really amazingly work as air purifiers. Let me tell you few of such plants. Snake plant, erica palm and money plants are few of them, and these are easily available in the market. If you know more such plants, let me know in the comment box. I bought onions few days ago. They got sprouted, so I am keeping them in soil. If you ever see your onions get sprouted, keep them in soil. Fresh onion springs will be ready to use in 4 to 5 days. Here I am doing the same. We don't have balcony or a separate place to keep the plants. That's why I am using my husband's office table. He used this at the time of corona to do his office work. After that, it was not much into use, so I started using it for plants. Now I am cleaning this table and all the room. Once I am done with all of my work, I came into the kitchen to start cooking. Today I plan to cook Yakhni pulao. For that I am adding 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon shah jeera, half inch cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 3 green cardamom, 3 cloves, then adding half onion and 3 garlic cloves and half kg mutton. In this adding salt to taste, I am also adding enough water here. Then I leave it for 4 to 5 whistles. Meanwhile, I am taking 1.5 cup rice, washing and soaking it for 30 minutes. Here mutton is cooked well. Now I am taking 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. In that I am adding chopped onions and salt. Saute it until it turns brown. As it will be taking some time, I am going to prepare custard for sweet. For that, taking 2 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder. Now I am mixing it by adding water to it. Here I heated 2 cups of milk. In this I am adding 1/4 cup of sugar. Now mix it well and add the prepared custard mixture to hot milk. At this point, while adding custard, we have to stir it continuously to avoid lumps. Now allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Here you can see the onions, they have already turned brown. Now adding ginger garlic paste to this. Fry until it leaves the raw smell. Then adding the mutton pieces which I already cooked. Fry it for 2 minutes. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 2 teaspoons of meat masala. You can add it if you have it with you, otherwise you can substitute it with garam masala. It's totally optional. I am adding it as I have it with me. In this I am adding soaked rice and frying this for a minute. Then adding yakhni water. To this I am also adding extra water. After mixing I taste it. Then I realized that I forgot to add pepper powder. So now I am adding a half teaspoon pepper and salt to taste. After mixing it, I will cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on high flame and 10 minutes on low flame. Simple and tastiest recipe is ready to enjoy. Don't miss this if you have never tasted before. Also, don't forget to let me know your experience. Do mention about it in the comment box. Here custard milk is cooled down. Now I am straining it. I have these pastry cakes in my pantry. Using these, now I am making sweet. In all cups, I am adding these cake crumbles as first layer, then pouring some custard milk as second layer. Now I am adding banana slices and pomegranate seeds. You can add any fruit which you have. Again adding cake crumbles and custard milk. Finally, I am garnishing with chopped nuts. That's it, and now it goes into the refrigerator until served. I hope you all like this video. If so, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, like and share my video. Thank you all. We will see with next vlog soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.